What's up guys, Justin here of Yugatech. And recently, Lenovo just announced that the Lenovo K12 and K12 Pro are now available in the Philippines. And today we're quickly checking out the Pro version. If it seems familiar to you, well, it's probably because it's a rebrand of Motorola's Moto G9 Power. We can expect the same specs and design from the two, but this K12 Pro has a more affordable price of 9,990 pesos. Now, upon holding the phone, the Lenovo K12 Pro feels thick and looks tall. It is a large phone, but its polycarbonate back makes it light to carry. It features a water-repellent design with a somehow wave-textured pattern that makes it less prone to fingerprint smudges. You can also find at the back its fingerprint scanner, the Lenovo branding, and its triple camera setup that's composed of a 64-megapixel wide, a 2-megapixel macro, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. The fourth circle is dedicated for the LED flash. On the front-facing side of things, we get a tall 6.8-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 1640 by 720 pixels. It's got slim bezels with a slightly thicker chin. On the upper left corner of the screen is its 16-megapixel selfie camera on a hole-punch setup, and on top of that is the call speaker and some sensors. On the right side, you can find the volume rocker and the power button, while on the left is a dedicated Google Assistant button and a card tray for a single nano SIM and a micro SD card. Up top is a secondary microphone and a headphone jack. Meanwhile, at the bottom are its loudspeaker, main microphone, and a USB Type-C port. For internals, the K12 Pro packs a Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 chip that's paired with an Adreno 610 GPU, 4GB of RAM, and locally we get 128GB of internal storage. It runs on Android 10 out of the box, and we also get a whopping 6,000 mAh battery with 20 watts of fast charging and 2.5 watts reverse charging. So far, it sounds like a good deal to us for 9,990 pesos, especially if you want a good phone with a stock Android experience, a large display, and long-lasting battery life. Anyways, that's it for now guys. Let us know what you think about this Lenovo K12 Pro in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this is Justin, and don't forget to wash your hands and stay at home.